In this video, I'll guide you through how to lock file or folder in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, click on the Windows key and click on Microsoft Store. Now you need to search for File Folder Locker. After finding this app, you need to click on Get button. Now this app will download and install on your computer. Now you need to wait for a few seconds based on your internet connection speed. Once it installs on your computer, then click on Open. Now you need to set a password and click on Continue. To log a folder on Windows 11, you need to click on Add Folder and choose the folder which you want to lock and click on Select Folder. Now you need to select the folder and click on Lock. Now you need to set a passkey and click on Lock. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily lock a folder in Windows 11. To unlock the folder, you need to click on it and then click on Unlock.